Ever notice how the quietest days are the ones that vanish first? Not the big disasters, not the famous moments, just normal days. The kind nobody thought to remember. Picture a small American town, mid-1990s. Morning sunlight slipping through lace curtains, cartoons humming softly from a boxy TV. A screen door creaks, then slams shut. Somewhere, a lawnmower starts. Somewhere else, wind chimes answer the breeze. Nothing important is happening. And that's exactly why this moment matters. Kids ride bikes with no destination. A basketball echoes down an empty street. Someone's mom calls from a porch, and nobody answers the first time. Inside a corner store, coins clink on a glass counter. Cold soda bottles sweat in a humming fridge. Everything moves slower here, like time itself forgot to hurry. But listen closer. That payphone by the gas station? It won't be there much longer. The video rental store downtown? Already renting fewer tapes than last year. The mall parking lot, slightly emptier than it used to be. Nobody notices the changes because they're too small to feel, but they're happening anyway. This was the edge of something ending. Not with noise, not with warning, just quiet replacement. Digital creeping in, neighbors moving out, stores closing earlier, porch lights turning off for the last time. No announcement, no ceremony, just fading. Kids playing outside didn't know they were part of the last generation to memorize phone numbers by heart, to rewind tapes before returning them, to hear busy signals, to knock on doors instead of texting. Nobody realized they were living inside something that would soon become nostalgia. That peaceful afternoon, that completely ordinary day, was already becoming history while it was still happening. No headlines, no cameras, just sunlight, dust, and time quietly moving on. Somewhere out there, there was a final, perfect day of the 90s. Nobody knew it was the last one. They just lived it and let it slip away. So here's the part history never records. What normal moment in your life is disappearing right now? Subscribe if you want to remember things before they vanish.